Azim Premji, the visionary behind Wipro and philanthropy pioneer. Azim Hashim Premji, an iconic figure in the Indian business landscape, is renowned not only for his leadership in transforming Wipro Limited into a global IT powerhouse but also for his exceptional philanthropic efforts. His journey from inheriting a vegetable oil business to becoming one of the most influential tech entrepreneurs and philanthropists in the world is a remarkable tale of vision, determination, and generosity. Early life and background. Azim Premji was born on July 24, 1945, in Bombay, now Mumbai, India, into a Nizari Ismaili Shia Muslim family. His father, Mohammad Hashim Premji, was a noted businessman who founded Western Indian Vegetable Products Limited in 1945, which produced a popular brand of hydrogenated oil called Vanaspati. 8. Education and early influences. Premji completed his schooling at St. Mary's School in Mumbai and went on to study electrical engineering at Stanford University in the United States. However, in 1966, at the age of 21, he had to return to India abruptly due to his father's untimely death. He took over the family business, which marked the beginning of his illustrious career. Though taking over the family business, upon returning to India, Premji took the helm of Western Indian Vegetable Products Limited, which was primarily an edible oil company. Despite being young and inexperienced, he exhibited remarkable business acumen and a forward-thinking approach that would later define his career. Transformation of Wipro. Azim Premji's most significant contribution to the business world was the transformation of Wipro from a small vegetable oil company into a global IT services giant. 8. Diversification and expansion. In the 1970 and 1980, Premji diversified Wipro's product line, entering the consumer products market with soaps, lighting products, and hydraulic cylinders. Recognizing the potential of the IT sector, he made a strategic pivot in the early 1980s towards information technology and computing. Though entry into information technology, Wipro entered the IT business in 1981, focusing initially on the manufacture of mini-computers. With the liberalization of the Indian economy in the 1990s, Premji capitalized on the burgeoning global demand for software and its services. Under his leadership, Wipro expanded rapidly, offering software development, consulting, and its services to clients worldwide. 10. Leadership and vision. Premji's leadership was characterized by a strong emphasis on quality, customer satisfaction, and innovation. He invested heavily in research and development, set up training programs to build a skilled workforce, and fostered a culture of excellence within the company. His vision transformed Wipro into a leading global IT services company. Business strategies and philosophy. Azim Premji's business strategies and philosophy played a crucial role in Wipro's success. 8. Focus on quality. Premji emphasized the importance of quality and process excellence. Wipro was one of the first Indian companies to obtain the ISO certification and later achieved the prestigious CCMM Level 5 certification, which attested to its commitment to high-quality standards. Though customer-centric approach. Premji believed in building long-term relationships with clients by understanding their needs and providing tailored solutions. This customer-centric approach helped Wipro gain and retain a diverse global clientele. 10. Innovation and R&D. Investing in innovation and research was a cornerstone of Premji's strategy. Wipro established several research labs and innovation centers to stay ahead of technological trends and deliver cutting-edge solutions to its clients. 4. Ethical leadership. Premji was known for his ethical business practices and integrity. He fostered a culture of transparency and accountability within Wipro, which earned the company a reputation for trustworthiness and reliability. Philanthropy and social impact. Beyond his business achievements, Azim Premji is celebrated for his philanthropy and commitment to social causes. 8. Azim Premji Foundation. In 2001, Premji founded the Azim Premji Foundation, a non-profit organization focused on improving the quality of education in India. The foundation works in partnership with state governments and other stakeholders to enhance educational outcomes and create a sustainable impact. Though Azim Premji University. Premji established the Azim Premji University in Bengaluru to address the shortage of quality education and development professionals in India. The university offers programs in education, development, and public policy, aiming to develop leaders who can contribute to societal change. 3. The Giving Pledge. In 2010, Premji became the first Indian to sign the Giving Pledge, an initiative by Warren Buffett and Bill and Melinda Gates. By committing to donate a significant portion of his wealth to philanthropic causes, Premji set an example for other wealthy individuals in India and around the world. 4. Healthcare and Rural Development. The Azim Premji Foundation also focuses on healthcare and rural development. It supports initiatives to improve healthcare infrastructure, enhance access to healthcare services, and promote sustainable rural development. 5. Donation of wealth. Azim Premji has donated a substantial portion of his personal wealth to charitable causes. As of 2020, he had donated $21 billion to philanthropy, making him one of the most generous philanthropists globally. Awards and recognition. Azim Premji's contributions to business and society have been widely recognized and honored. 8. Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. The Government of India awarded Premji the Padma Bhushan in 2005 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2011, two of the highest civilian honors in the country, in recognition of his contributions to trade and industry and his philanthropic efforts. Though global recognition, Premji has been featured in numerous global rankings, including Forbes' list of the world's richest people and Time magazine's list of the 100 most influential people. His leadership and philanthropy have earned him respect and admiration worldwide. Azim Premji's journey from inheriting a small family business to becoming a global business leader and a pioneering philanthropist is a testament to his vision, determination, and commitment to making a difference. His transformation of Wipro into an IT giant and his significant contributions to education, healthcare, and rural development have left an indelible mark on both the business world and society. Azim Premji's legacy continues to inspire future generations of entrepreneurs and philanthropists, underscoring the importance of using wealth and influence to drive positive social change.